most older gardeners have experienced this trench composting. So we've dug a trench 18 inches deep. We want this here to be our finished grade. So we have enough room to fill up at least 12 inches of compostable material. And this layer here, we're gonna fill up with good soil. So we have all this space down here to fill up with different products, different compostable products. So for example, here are a lot of weeds. So we spread it out. Okay, so there's the first layer. And what we do is we have worms here. So you put a handful of worms in with it. Fill it up. Then I'm going to put a bit of chicken manure on top. Okay. And that stuff just going to teach. Then we're going to put another layer of material on top that's decomposing. It's a bit, has wood sticks in it to make it a little bit aerating. Okay, so a little bit more. Okay. Okay, suficiente. Y caen las otra vez segundo. Just a bit more chicken manure on top. And before that, I'm going to put a handful of worms on top of this. Okay. Okay. And now we're going to put 12 inches of dirt on top. And the reason it has to be 12 inches so that the weeds can't come through here anymore. They're just basically going to be covered. Esa línea, that line. So there's no chance of any of the stuff that we've put underneath here coming back through because we have enough of a layer to protect it from growing through again. Okay, so the advantage of this is that we get all this soil that's here. We got that all out of the trench. So we actually gained probably about a half a meter of good topsoil by doing this trench method. We didn't actually need to buy anything or bring any compost in. We're using the material that is coming out of the trench. So we're actually gaining topsoil. We're not actually having to buy any or bring any in. So this is a real advantage of this trench composting system, is that you end up with extra topsoil, which is incredible. The no dig, no till, cardboard methods, they all require you to put really good topsoil on top. So it's a very expensive method. This is very cheap because you're using materials, weeds, and everything you have around the house to create an extra layer of good topsoil. Okay.